Okay. Did it work? Are we live? Yes, we are live again. Hello everybody, welcome back to the stream. As you all know, for those who are new or regular viewers, good to be back. It's day 23. Everybody that doesn't know or needs to know, the main purpose of this stream is just to help anybody with computer issues or problems that they might have. If not, then I can try to find an alternative solution or try to help you in a different way, or I'll try to recreate the issue in my own computer. But yep, that is the reason of this stream. And you can notice that I already did a little bit of changes, but everything remains the same. Few changes, but we're still the same. So now I'm gonna pick up where I was last time, setting up this game server, which honestly I just wanna do it already because I've been having so many issues with it. Can't get it set up. Yeah, let's just continue. I'm actually gonna be doing this by scratch again. Okay, let me see this. Whoops. Yeah, let's cut it. Okay, let's just go and... Oh yeah, do this from scratch again. Okay, so I'm gonna just browse. I'm gonna do this in Ubuntu. I think it might be easier. So yeah, where is it? Yeah, we're gonna do it on Ubuntu. Yep, okay. Five, forward. Let's put it here. Make it 120 for now. Just share here to everybody else. Let's share this here while that finishes. Maybe, oh no, did I close something? Is that finished? Oh, finally, it's finished. Okay, forward, yeah, game server, maybe it's just how it's named, terror back, toe, okay, yeah, leave it, everything like that, begin installation. Yeah, just install that for the time being. I do need to see how I'm gonna fix that. Yep, thank you. Yep, thank you. Skip for now. Install. Yep, download everything. Yes, please. Yeah. Okay. Okay, now I just gotta wait for this to finish. Let's try with Debian, but I think I'm gonna try it with Ubuntu. I think it might be easier. Okay. Okay, that's almost finished. Just gotta wait a little bit more. Okay. This is almost done. Just about a few more minutes so I can actually set this up. I have no idea how I'm gonna do this. Last time it didn't work out. Did use Debian. Let's try Ubuntu. It's not suppose due to compatibility with Docker. If you're planning on running this for open based on most likely not be successful. Okay then. The command line is simply an example on how you might install these dependencies. Please console your yeah, I want to install all that. Even if it's an example, that's what we need. Okay. So a little bit more. To anybody new to the stream, I welcome you. You have any computer issues or problems, just ask away. Me, I'm just fixing my own issues and trying to see if I can set this up. Oh, I can see somebody answered the poll. Oh, just chilling? Okay, sweet. Then welcome. Okay. Ah, finally, okay. Why is this not moving? Did this freeze? My computer says freeze. Oh, no, okay, never mind. No, it's just restart that, yeah. Oh yeah, I gotta... yes, shut it off. There. Yeah, I am gonna do something a little bit different this time. And I'm also gonna turn on this computer, but I don't need it right now. I just need it to turn on. Oh, really? You're on updates? God dang it. Oh, never mind, you're fast. Okay, there. I have to check something on you. Okay, good. Okay, oh finally, I thought it froze. Properties. Take that off. Perfect. Good. Okay. Yep, skip. Yep. Now, Mr. Terminal. Okay, now I want everything to be up. I know this is an example, but I need to see something else. Okay, getting started. I'm gonna try to do this with Ubuntu. Wow, that's a lot of packages. Okay, well, please be quick on that part. Okay, once that's finished, that's more config. Yeah, sure. Just install everything. I need to have all of this updated. Force quit. Yeah, once that's done. Wait, once that's done, we don't need it anymore. We're gonna use this, but we need to wait. Okay. Oh, someone bought it. Need help. Well, this is the main purpose of the stream. If you have any issues or questions, ask away in the chat. Me, I'm just fixing my own issues. I'll try to help you out or find an alternative solution to whatever the issue you're having. Okay, we won't finish that because I did try to set this up the other time with Debian, but I think Debian was causing me issues, even though it says it's supported here. But I want to try with the first one here, Ubuntu. So yeah, not sure if there's gonna be any difference. And I need this, all those stuff. Okay, so MySQL is the recommendation. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna see if I can do this step by step because I really want to try to set this up. And if I do set it up, I also need to install a game for it to see if I can get the other parts to work, but I'm not 100% sure. So let's just see. Now it's just gonna be the waiting game now. Okay, just a little bit more. Oh god, that's a little bit slow. %, a little bit more. 56. Hey, what the heck happened? Oh. Take that crap off. The last thing that I need is this going on sleep. Come on, open up. Power. Screen. Never. Don't ever go to sleep. Come on. There we go. Huh? Hey Rano, how's it going, man? Oh, hi David. Sleep should be illegal. Wake up. I hate it because sometimes when it goes to sleep, it will stay in the black screen and it will stay like that and the screen won't come back up. I hate it. I always put it in never. Oh yes, Rhino. I am gonna try it today and I'm not gonna stop until I get it to work. Because it's been in my head all this week. I haven't touched my computer all these last few days. Because I was doing a video and I uploaded a video. So I was playing on some Tarkov. Tarkov? Tarkov. I feel that I heard that. Tarkov. The line here is telling me, is that Escape from Tarkov? At least that's what it's telling me here online. Oh, it is. Oh, okay. Then I never heard about this one. But yeah, man, I really want to see if I can set it up. And if I can set it up, then I want to see if I'm able to set it up. I want to see if I can connect a game to it and then try it out. Great FPS. Huh. Honestly, never heard of it. Never heard of it, honestly. Last FPS that I played, I would say, was the old Modern Warfare 3. That was the last time I was hooked on a FPS game. Hey, there's something that I do want to check here. Before I continue anything else. Yeah. That's why I went one ad and said, being a rookie house overbill. Oh yeah, no, definitely. But I still want to use it because it feels like a little bit of a challenge to set it up. Because if I can get it to set up, since I'm so interested in it, I can make a video about it on how to set it up easy. There's an app on the TrueNAS. Oh wow, that actually makes everything more easier. If there is a simple straight app. And I don't. What the hell is this? What's wrong with this? Okay. Okay, no problem. I did do it with Debian. I'm gonna try with Ubuntu and see if maybe there's something different that I miss. I thought about putting on the TrueNAS VM and compare it to my AMSA running in my Ubuntu. Did you actually set it up, or is there really no difference? Jason, Ubuntu says run straight Debian. Oh yeah, I did do that in the beginning, but I want to try Ubuntu to see if there's any different changes, because with this one I was getting issues. So I was just going with what it says here. I know it says here. I said, oh, you're enjoying the game. We all need some games. Debian's far more stable than Ubuntu. I see, Jason. Okay. Well, I'm gonna have to give it a try either way. Because again, I did last stream, I did it with Debian and had a few issues. So either way, if I'm gonna have issues with this one, I'll just switch back to Debian, because I haven't deleted it. I still have it right here. Right, where the hell? Yeah, here it is. Here it is. Yeah, this is a Debian one. If not, I'll switch back and see maybe I did something wrong. I'm pretty sure I missed something or did something wrong, but since I have this like in a NAT, so I have the other computer turned on in case maybe it's just not detecting it since I have it in a NAT. That could be the other issue, but I'm not 100% sure since this is on my host computer, so I shouldn't have that issue. Okay, I must just SSH into this. What's the IP? 15, 15, 25, 82. Connection refused. Oh no. Ah, wait. I know what happened. Settings. Sharing. No, not there. System. SSH. Enable. There we go. Authenticate. Okay, that was actually more easier than Ubuntu. I mean the Debian. And it's still refusing. 15. I just want to do it over here because I don't have to keep writing a lot. And sometimes the copy and paste just doesn't want to work. It's still refusing. Okay then. Or I have a better idea. I'll just find it from here. I think that will be faster if I do that. Yeah, let me do that better. Just don't know why this is. I didn't set it up really fast, so I might have more issues. But I'll keep that in mind for niches. Here it is. Just leave it here. Documentation. Wait a minute. Is there anything that I missed here? These are the screenshots of how to set it up. About the project, Discord, GitHub. Maybe there's something on GitHub that I just haven't seen. Okay, the panel. Let's see the panel first. Okay, so that's the panel. Okay. So releases. There's a source, there's a code here. Okay, let's see this. Maybe I can set it up more easier with this extract panel. Oh, yes. Okay. Read, no. Composer, all in. Database. Okay, wait. So I found that. Has all these files. Either way, I still need to install the files. Maybe there's just something here that could be useful. There's nothing here. Okay then. Okay, but I did find some files. That's actually gonna be extremely useful now. This is display. 1080. Please. Perfecto. Much better. Okay. So I have that there. Bootstrap. What's in here? Okay, so here it tells us everything. Source code. I'm also gonna download the source code. Maybe there's something additional from here. No, it's the same thing, so I don't need this anymore. Send that to the trash. Let's just need this for now. And back to here. The wings, it said we needed that as well. Let's open this, open that, documentation. What is this? Yokes. Docker images designed for use with the X system. Oh, okay, so these have game installation images. Okay, so these are just Docker images. Okay. A current collection of core images that can be used with the X system. Each image is built. No, I don't think I need this now. The wings, the server control plane for the panel, written from the ground out with speed. So I might need this. Wings, AMD 64. Yep, give me that. There's no app installed for executable files. Let's download with this sudo flatpak update update install flatpak. Yeah, install that. Maybe with this I could install something on it. For the pterodactyl. Come on. There we go. Sudo flatpak install. Wait. Update that first. Nothing. Okay. Install bottles. Ah, really? Okay, fine. Bottles. Okay, that's odd. Bottles. Here we go. Okay, then just give me the reference file. Was that so hard? Open in terminal. Sudo flatpak installed. There. Yes, please. Yeah, I want to install that. Yes, I want to install that, please. Now, while that is installing, we can close this out. We don't need this anymore. And there's no more information here. Let's see the community guides. Maybe there's something. Sorry, I wasn't getting, but my first server build and the research I did led me to Promos as main and TrueNAS. PM for Jellyfin and Ubuntu for game hosting. That's pretty deep. Oh, you're telling him to Jason. Okay, no, oh, wait, this is, I don't need this. this guy you will need to install dependencies for the allow. After that you can follow the installation. Okay, so I need to install more stuff. I need for this to finish. Open source for life. Okay. Okay, I need to wait for that to finish. So we have this. Open the terminal on this part. Let's see what's in here. Editor. Artisan. Oh, there's an executable in here. Is this an executable? Is it? Oh no, wait, I think that's a folder. No, a folder is green. I mean, a folder is blue. CD, download, panel. This appears as open. Register from the artisan collection. Okay, so we still need to install our dependencies before we get started with this. Let's get out of here. Let's go to their main documentation again, getting started. Let's do Ubuntu. So this is done, that's done. Okay, sweet. Install curl. We need curl. Let's see. Rano, you ever try a different hypervisor besides Promox? Uh, it's okay, man. No, it says as if you have tried a different hypervisor besides Promux. Do, 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 do. Okay, because even though to me Promise is a good one, the other basic ones, you have VirtualBox, VMware Workstation, VMware Access, and I think that's it. They're similar. The more easier ones are like VirtualBox or VMware Workstation Pro, which are free as well. Oh my god, okay. Gotta install so many dependencies. This is gonna take a time. This is gonna take a long time. Okay, so we have Apache, I think. Is this on? Okay, yeah, it's on. Any minute now. Come on, don't stay. Thank you. There we go. Don't stay stuck there. It's gonna go nuts. Okay, yeah, no full screen again. Finally. Okay, so sudo auto remove. Whoops, sudo apt auto remove stuff that we don't need. Okay, so supposedly we have PHP now installed. 8.3. Perfect. Okay, so now we need to install sudo open SSL. Oh wait, we already have it installed. Open SSL version. Oh, it's already installed. Oh, hello Lucifer. How's it going? Okay, then let's Okay, that's installed. CIO. GD. MySQL. Damn. PDO. CIO version, but can be installed with, oh really? Runtime. Ah, sweet, that's what we needed. I am just searching some hope for my PC build because of RAM price. Oh really? They have been, well yeah, they have been very expensive. So are you trying to upgrade your system or what? Give me some details. Some hope, man. Can't believe we come to a level that RAM are just expensive as hell. Oh my gosh. And here I thought GPU was the most expensive thing to buy. Like the cheapest thing now is a motherboard? I don't even know. Man, I need to look up new stuff. But please tell me like what's happening. What's your build or what other issues you have? I can see RAM, an old system, a new system, something you're trying to set up. Ah, freak, finally. Okay, so that means I have this installed. Yes, I do. Okay, we can't do it like that, but we have it installed. Sweet. Okay, so sudo apt install gd. Unable to locate gd. Maybe it's under a different name. Huh? I don't have any components. I am starting from beginning. Oh, okay. So you're starting from beginning. Is this the first time you're gonna buy a PC? Are you thinking of buying a pre-built one? You asking for a RAM, so I'm guessing you just want to build it yourself. Oh, okay. If it's more convenient, you could use this website. I think it's called Computer Park Builder, I think it's called. PC Part Picker. Here we go. PC Part Picker. Yeah, that's the site. Oh yeah, that's a good question, Rhino. You want to build a gaming PC or a home server? Either way, this place, I'm using a MacBook for work, but recently interested in gaming and streaming. Oh, okay. Then you wouldn't need much. But if you want to if you're on a budget, first off, if you are on a budget, you can use this site to begin building your the everything that you need, and it'll give you a total of everything. But if you just need you're just looking right now for just one specific piece, like I would recommend Newegg. This is like the best site for me, the best site to get PC parts. RAM, depending if it's DDR4 or 5, they're gonna be expensive. There is one thing about RAM, like don't buy if you're like really attention to RAM speed. Like this is 3200 speed. Sometimes it's really not that much of a difference. Don't go cheap on it either, but it's not that much of a difference if you're worried about that part. Yeah, but PC part picker, like Rhino said, it is a good place to start looking. Like it'll give you like a straight up like your total budget on everything that you're gonna spend. Like Amazon is a good place as well. It really depends if you have their membership. Well, Newegg has their membership as well. Some you just gotta compare prices. Like PC part picker is good, but if you want to check it individually, you can check this place or the other place. Might be better for you. But have you already picked out something? Where was I? Ah, yes. Okay, so GD. What the hell's GD? Huh? Yeah, that's true, Rhino. Okay, so you haven't picked out something. Well, in that case, since you're basically using a MacBook for work, but you're now interested more in gaming or streaming, then I would give PC Part Picker a try, because they have here like a compatibility issue. Like, just pick one. If you don't really want to go really hardcore, honestly, holy crap, that's expensive. Okay, why is this one so cheap? This is a Ryzen 5. Okay, that's actually not bad. 6 cores. That's actually good. Okay, add that one there. A cooler. Don't go for water cooler. Honestly, to me that's like a waste of money. Yes, it might cool your PC really like good in a way, but it's a risk for me. Water get in the system, goodbye. Your chest. I'm streaming a little behind the combo. Your chest stream, you are streaming a little behind the combo. What? What do you mean? Oh, is it being delayed or something like that? Is that what you're talking about? Cloud gaming? Yeah, you could try. I honestly never tried cloud gaming. I think I only did it once with Google Stadia, and I think that was something horrible. Oh yeah, definitely air cooler. Don't go for those water cooler things. Installing it, it's alright. Cleaning it and maintaining it, it's I just wouldn't recommend it. Yes, you want to keep it fancy and everything, fine, go ahead, do it. But I think it's like an extra waste of money. GD for Linux. Oh, that's odd. There's been a delay on that. I didn't even notice because honestly, this internet provider that I have is not the greatest thing. Like the only way I'm actually noticing about the chat is because if you are on the Discord server, I put on a little bot. So every time I hear someone send some message on the chat, then I'll hear the Discord notification. That's why I'm looking at right now. So the one on the screen, I think this is from Stream Elements. I think this is delayed a little bit. I'm not 100% sure. I'm not sure if I should change that or put it in a different way. GD for seeing Wine or Proton. Huh? I use a terminal right peerless SS in 4 different builds. They run. Oh, that's where you meet. Lucifer, where are you from? I am from Puerto Rico, the U.S. territory. So my native tongue is Spanish, but I also know English. Yep, I'm from Puerto Rico, a small island that looks like the size of a peanut. Is this what I need? Yeah. Oh, you're from India. Holy crap, you're really far away from me. I think so. So follow the install to install the GD. I need this stuff. Oh my god. Oh, there's a. Okay, so GD actually is Python, so I think that's what I need. Okay then. Okay, then let's install Python then. Or if it is already installed, Python 3. It is installed. Pip 3. That's not installed. Okay, there's the command. Python 3 / pip. I need to make some extra notes on this. Huh? I'm also a coder, not professional. Yeah, that's alright, man. We all start from the beginning, then we get up to the next level. Like, it's better to be a student than a teacher, because if you're in that mindset of being a student, you keep learning, and then people will ask you like, hey, how do you fix this, and you already know the answer. Being a student is the best thing. You're a coder. I'm not a coder. I wish I could code. Like the most thing that I know about coding, I can like read it a little bit, but I can't like type it. I gotta use a little bit of the AI sometimes. To me, that sucks. If I could code, then that would be the last thing that I am missing to try to understand everything in computers. But I'm a troubleshooter. Can't really know much. Well, don't get me wrong, Rhino. Like, I would say maybe a few years back. I think it's which one was it? AM 2 and 3 was horrible for other people's experience. And then when they came out 4, I think that's when they released the Ryzen processors, and they released the giant ass Threadripper. That's when AMD really got hardcore on everything. Yeah, if you're on a budget, then you're gonna have to go cheap. And you do live daily. Yeah, I do. I do take breaks, but when I do take breaks, I do send a post on the YouTube community or on Discord, and so everybody knows I'm not gonna be live. I'll be live on this day, but I mostly stream every day. So right now this stream, I really want to set this up. If not, then I'll do what this dude said using TrueNAS. If there's an app for this, then oh my god, that makes the process a whole lot easier. 1,100 is your budget. For your kids, man, they're gonna. Well, AMD is known to hold a lot of heat, so yeah, they might keep it for maybe, who knows, maybe 5 or 10 more years. You switch it with, and if you think it's gonna die down, turn it into a server, man. Don't throw it away. Turn it into a server and upgrade the kids. Well, optional. 1,104 is your budget. It's actually not bad. You could get pretty decent stuff. Man, if this, I'm gonna keep trying on this. If not, I'll literally install TrueNAS here and turn it on to see if it's really that easy. Because if it's just an app, then oh my god, then I'm just doing this the hard way. Holy crap. Thank you so much, Lucifer. I really appreciate that, man. Thank you. Never have any issues with heat on any... No, that's the thing, Rhino. You're not gonna have issues with AMD. That's the thing with AMD. Their CPUs are meant to hold so much heat. You can put one of those crappy, like, you can put, okay, I remember I did this long ago. I put the AMD, the Intel stock cooler I was doing a test build. I put this crappy, I put this thing on an AMD AM3 socket because I didn't have a cooler for AMD compatible. So I put this thing, and while the new parts that I wanted to order, I let it running for maybe 3 weeks, and it was hot as hell. But did it work? 100% it did work. So yeah, it was hot, but I didn't have a lot of issues because at that time I was using Windows 7, and I think when I did get issues is when Windows 10 began to come out. But literally, man, people may not like these things, but they're good. Like for 4.5 years on another system, I was just using the stock cooler and gaming on it. Like if you're not playing on intensive games, then you're not gonna be then you're not gonna have a lot of heat. But I'll tell you this, when AM4 or 5 came out, I love this design for the this is the Intel. Okay, I think Intel did it second, but AMD did it first. AMD stock cooler. This one. This is a beast of a stock cooler that already comes with the processor. Like, I wouldn't change this for anything. To me, this is really hardcore. True, because they are really cheap. I won't get you wrong. RAM is main issue because I am also an AI program. Oh, you're also an AI program. Have you tried a viewer before? Wait. AI. But Lucifer, tell me this. Like, what do you want to get into, like, in AI? Thank you for that, Rhino, man. I appreciate that. Unknown cog. But okay, I'm getting sidetracked. Okay, Lucifer, what? Okay, so you're saying that RAM is a main issue, but you're also in doing AI. Like, what's your objective here? Like, do you want to use AI for what? For everything, side projects, for yourself, open source? Cause I remember a viewer a few weeks back, he showed me this app from Google. It's called Anti-Gravity. Or but with RAM, really, if you're gonna use like intensive AI, you might be using, unless if you want to build the local ones with Docker, because they have a lot of those. Some of them are more CPU focused, and others are more GPU focused. And I think the RAM is divided. Okay, where was I? Okay, so I finished that. Now, huh? You're learning generative AI, so I need more RAM for my modulars and scikit-learn. ML modulars and scikit-learn. I haven't heard of what is that before I continue with this. ML modulars. Machine learning. Oh. And the other one, scikit-learn. Put this in English. Oh, so it's both machine learning. What is this used for? Practice building metrics for regression problems. That's odd. I actually never heard of that. From Python. What is this? Machine learning clustering. This is a lot of information you're learning about this. Okay, but what do you wanna? Okay, you're learning about this. Like, do you have something in mind that you wanna build, Lucifer? It's just a lot. Like, you can think of AI like, to me, I don't think it's a replacer. Like for programming, for code, I don't think it's a replacer. To me, AI is a tool. A tool, and also it can teach you some stuff. Like anybody who thinks AI is a replacer for doing what I'm doing, troubleshooting, what somebody else doing, programming, not exactly. Like to me, it's a tool, and if you use it correctly, it's also a teacher. But it's mainly a tool. Like say that you need to build this, and it takes you 3 hours. With AI, you can do it in maybe 10 minutes. But if it's something very difficult, then obviously you need to verify everything. So if you're a coder, you can understand what it's doing. You can fix the errors yourself instead of using the AI. Exactly, you can put it that way, a helper or a tool, yeah. Like, it'll help you, you have multiple problems in your head. And with just asking the AI all the problems that you have, it could try to put the size lower, and maybe from 20 problems that you had, maybe lower it to 2 to 3 problems. Again, that's actually something useful because why? You're saving time. You're trying to set up something faster. And you can do more stuff. Like sometimes, I'll be honest, I cannot remember everything. Like that's an advantage with AI. It'll remember stuff, but sometimes it will screw the hell up. Because again, it's not perfect. It's gonna make mistakes. Even on the app it said it will make mistakes. Like you really cannot expect that to be perfect. Even if you're paying for it, even if it's open source. Well, I'm guessing that's why people do the collection of data for it, so it gets better and smarter. But in the end, it's just a program. Tool, helper, or well, helper could be like to teach you how to do this or give you more ideas if you're like stuck, like, okay, I don't remember how to do this. Just gotta note down everything. Okay, man. You take your time right now. Yeah, to me, paying for AI is stupid. I don't believe. I really don't believe it's at a point that it's that good to pay for it. Comparing the free one with the paying one, I really don't see much of a difference. You even have the open source ones. Like, make it make sense. Find someone that are open source, and the other one's just gonna, okay, let's just charge it on this and that, nothing else. It does not make sense. To me, you're gonna get the same information. You're literally speaking to something that is highly more intelligent than you in all aspects. But again, it could be wrong. It's not 100%. But if you want to use it to try to solve something faster, then hey, it's gonna help you. But it's not a replacer how people are seeing that in the media, politics, AI, bubble, and all that. AI is good, but it's not a replacer. Like, you literally think that it's gonna replace coders, programmers? No. It might make the programmers see the code, see what's right, and try to make it better. Now that's the intelligent guy. I got 2 years of Gemini 3 Pro ChatGPT for free. I don't know about your side. Oh no, I haven't bought it. I always use the free. I just don't think there's much point of it. Like, I can't tell the difference. Like, I could ask a pro one the same question and ask the free one the same question, and to me, it's still giving me the answer in a different way, but my problem is still not solved. The issue is still there. I honestly don't see the difference. What? Really? What? That's insane. Free, free in India? I can't believe that. That's crazy, man. Ah, okay. For students. But hey, but still, man. You have it for free because it's already paid for by your university or school. But that's really convenient. You could just try to do comparisons to see if it's really that much of a difference. But I have tried so many of them. I have tried Grok, ChatGPT, Gemini, Blackbox, Cursor. They're all good, but they just give different results to different answers, and some of them like are more better for certain stuff. Like, one is good for uh, explaining coding stuff, programming. One is good for creating images. One is good for doing something different, and the other one's good to try to, I don't even know what's the name for it. I guess give advice. Really, no difference. Interesting. Requirements. Okay, that gave me an error. Can we try to install? Let's see if we can install this. But with Gemini, only thing I love, I am getting 2 terabyte cloud storage. Holy crap, 2 terabytes. You can fill everything in there if you want. That's really convenient, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, the only cloud storage that I have is my personal NAS, and I haven't turned that thing on in, I would say like in 7 months, because I don't need to save anything important. And I only have it on a RAID, and it's only 1 terabyte. There's actually 4 in there, but I have a mix. But still, man, 2 terabyte, man. That's a lot. Just for being a student, they give you all those benefits. Really convenient. Okay, need some water. This environment is externally managed and install Python system wide. Okay. Copy that. Let's see if we can try to see if we can install that. Hey, why am I getting errors for this? I have never been in that country. It's an interesting thought. Haven't thought about it. All that I know is that it's a very big country. Compared to here, it's a very small island in the middle of the ocean. Okay. But right now, I need to save up. I don't have a job, and that's why I'm doing this, trying to do it full time. If I get a job, I will want to visit your site. Oh, visit the island. I have seen tourists here from India. So a lot of people from different countries have visited Puerto Rico. I have met Canadians, Americans, Switzerland, a lot of different varieties. Chinese, Japanese, so many different people from different countries have come here to visit, to tourists, and just enjoy the island. It's very hot here. Yeah, this is not working for me. Okay, let's try something different. Okay, this is the issue that I'm having. If you wish to install a non-Debian package, Python package, create a virtual environment using this. Okay. And the path to be. Okay, so that's what I need to do. Okay, so put this. I gotta read, man. Now the path. Let's do it in. Huh? Okay. I saw the message. Thanks for joining, man. Thanks for your support. Really appreciate that. The more support I get from this, because I am seeing that people do actually like this, what I'm doing with this interactive stream, the more I can do this. Well, basically, I'm a troubleshooter with this stuff. The more I do it, the more this will be like full time me doing this. I am confused. Okay, I gotta put the pad. Okay, then let's put it on downloads. Permission, whoops. Sudo. Confused. Okay, well, why do I get confused with this? Okay, I need to do this. Okay. Create a virtual environment using Python 3, the pad to the bin, then use pad, Python, and the bin. Make sure you have Python 3 full install. Sudo apt Python 3/full. Okay, I did not have that installed. But yeah, if you are curious on what I'm doing, I'm actually trying to set up a server for a game called Pterodactyl. So right now it's just trying to install all the dependencies that I need. That's what I've been doing all this time. So I am stuck on the GD. Still waiting for that one. But I need to install the rest of this stuff. Okay. Huh? Awesome. That's really good. Okay. So, okay, yeah, this is the server, this is this one, Windows 10. Oh, that's right, we still don't need to use Windows 10. So now we need to install, okay, no, wait. Let's see if now we can actually use it. Okay, so I need to use Python 3mn, copy, and I need to select a path. So it's supposed to be, permissions. I'm gonna go with permissions, sudo. That didn't do anything. Oh, wait a minute. Let's read the readme. Huh? How to get Gemini in India? I am sending you. Let me see that. Oh wow, that's not bad, given the price and everything. That's how much? That's in rupees. How much is that in dollars? So translate here. Rupee. Oh, I was converting it. 385? That's it? Man, that is cheap. Oh no. Me, I don't want to get it. I'm just gonna keep doing it myself. Do it all locally here. Okay, I am confused on how this works. Let's open the text editor. Yeah, I know, it's unwritable. If you need to install an application, no. If you need to install a Python modular version, that is a package. Okay. Okay. We recommend installing it into a virtual and where possible. You can create virtualness with pin Python stb module and the Python 3pin Debian. Okay, instead of running pip install user, run make a directory Python full bin install full. Huh? They're using a VPN for GeForce Now. What for? You can override. Huh? Oh really? They have it restricted? That sucks. You can use Proton VPN. That one's free. Ah, for the cloud gaming. Okay. But you could try to use Proton VPN. They have a free edition. They'll just connect you to somewhere else. But I think it should work. Ah, okay, you want to build that there. Okay, I need some help on this. Online, give me some extra help here. Didn't I install that already? I did install that one. Okay, so I do have it installed. Create a virtual environment. Huh? Oh really? Well, okay, Lucifer. You enjoy yourself, man. Thanks for joining the stream and supporting the channel, man. I really appreciate that. You have a good one. Oh yeah, anytime. That's the purpose of the stream. Help each other out, find alternative solutions, or I'll try to recreate the issue if it's something more complicated. But still, thanks for joining. I don't get it. I thought this was... Okay, I'm so confused with how to make this. You have a good one, Lucifer. Ah. I need to copy that. Okay. Now that I did that. Okay, so that means now I can install this. Can I? Ah, there we go, finally. Okay, so we had GD. After that is done, need to install MySQL since they said it's recommended. Oh, what? Error failed building wheel for GPD. Cannot build wheels for GD Pi, which is required to install Pi. Oh man. Okay then. Okay, so I have an error with that. To missing dependency. Okay. Let's see now. Okay, will that work now? Oh, come on. I need this so it works. Okay, maybe I missed something. Whatever, that's alright, I'll just keep trying. To anybody new to the stream, I welcome you. If you have any computer issues or problems, ask away in the chat, don't hesitate. Me, I'm just fixing my own problems. I'm trying to set up right now a game server called Pterodactyl. A viewer mentioned it in the previous stream. And now I'm a little stuck. But if you do have any issues or questions, just ask away. I'll even try to recreate it if I could. I'm still having this. I think I'm missing modulars or something. It sucks. This really sucks. What does online say? Failed to build. I'm still missing packages. Oh, that really sucks. Okay. Please don't tell me it's that. I was sure I had everything installed on this thing. I do! And I did not need this. So I do have these packages. Alpine Linux. I already have that. I don't need that. ICS did that. That's not needed. I already did that part. Yes, it's already satisfied. I don't need that. Reattempt. It's gonna do the same thing. Let's try it one more time. Why not? So if the error persists, do it like that. No cache directory. Okay. Still the same issue. Failed to build for some project I'm based on. Okay, close. I'm trying to install Firebase. Okay. Then you should install Firebase 4. No. gd python install error. I did that already. Card libraries. I am 100% sure I'm not missing anything else. But let's give it a try. Oh, so I was missing something else? Dang it. Okay, let's see the poll. 13 votes so far, and just chilling. That one's the winner right now. 15% need help, 8% learning something. Okay, that's cool. I like that. I like that. Okay. I don't want to have any issues. Okay, pip install gd.python. Okay, build preparing. And it freaking failed. Failed to build installable wheels for some project based on GD. Come on, man. Okay, I really need some extra help here. I already have that installed. Don't know why it's asking that again. It's already installed. copy that down so I know everything that I did. Okay. Yeah, I want to have all the dependencies. I really just want to install this one, GD. Okay, says we need that. We have PHP, we have it 8.3. We have this, we have that. We're missing this, so we can continue on with the rest of what we need. And FPM if you're planning to use NF. Okay, so we don't need that. So we just need this remaining stuff. Let's try it again. Will that work this time? Oh, it did work, so I was missing that dependency. Sweet, it worked. Okay, now go back to CD. Okay, good. Now we need to install MySQL. Oh gosh, allergies. MySQL. Server, here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna write that down. Okay, so I needed that. Yes, please install it. Okay guys, give me a few minutes. I'm gonna get a drink. I'm gonna go on a little break. I'll be right back guys. Let's just leave that there running. guys, I'm back. Holy crap, this is still running? Wait, is it stuck? Oh no, it's still running. Okay, Jesus. Oh, I gotta get it out of the break. Yep, out of the break. Oh my gosh, this is still freaking running. I can't believe that. I'm just installing the dependencies. I haven't even done the hard part. Oh gosh. I got me some snacks, so you might hear me munch on some snacks right now. I just got the munchies right now. Yeah, the bad thing about this is I cannot run another process because it might just get holded up. Well, this one finish. Renaming, remove key buffer. Okay, any minute now. No, seriously, any minute now. Ah! My god, I feel that this is gonna be like Windows. Downloading something. It's like the 99%. Oh, okay, there's a process. And it's just gonna crash on me. I really hope it doesn't do that. Maybe I just jinxed myself. Ah, okay, there we go. Ah, finally. Ah, finally. Okay, what's next? PDO. Sudo apt install PDO. Maybe that's a server? No? What is that? Search PDO. PDO is an algorithm. Oh, for PHP. For Linux. Installing core. Let's see if that one works. Now 17 ppm instead of PPO though. Okay, then let's install. Let's see if that one works like that. Yeah, PHP, yeah, we have that. Okay, then it has to be this one. Command. There's a command named udo. Not what I wanted to do. Oh, okay. That one work. These are all the steps that I have so far on what we need to install. By default, PB, PDO, and PDOS drivers are available. Available? What do you mean? That's not what I'm asking. This side is crap. I already have this. Okay. I have a suggestion allowing them to change my code to PDO in order to oh, it's a manual. Okay, there's a manual here. Okay, I don't get it. I'm supposed to install that. On Ubuntu, you should be able to install the necessary video parts using. Okay, let's see that. Huh? Oh, come on. Oh, this is from 2012. Okay. Is this the one that I'm looking for? It's already there. Oh, yes. I need that command. Okay. There we go. PDL. Oh, so it's already installed. Oh my god. Okay. PDO. Pedophile. What is suggesting that? This. This command is to check if PDO or other modulars are installed. Okay. Wait, we have that. We go to the next step. MB stream. Thank you. This stream. Maybe it's under another name. Oh, it's another extension. Okay, wait, if it's another extension, I can just check it. No, it's not here. Okay, here, we'll use this. Yes. Okay, we need this. So if we use, there it is, MB. Okay, so these are all extensions. Why don't you? Okay, this guide is a little bit tokenizer. I think this is another extension. Okay, now this is making a lot of sense. Let's see. Tokenizer. It is another extension. And I have it installed, but just in case. Tokenizer. Oh, I don't have it installed. Okay, wait. We need this. Because if I'm gonna make a guy out of this, I need to have everything. Okay, there. I don't get it. Calendar. Hey, now it's not here. Oh wait, yeah, it's there. I'm an idiot. Okay. PC Map. Is there another extension? PC Map. It is another stupid extension. Okay. That's what we needed. How to install Tero.tier steps. I'm gonna name this for now. Okay. This would be PC Map. Okay, so these are all PHP modules. Huh? What about this one? No. XML or DOM. So it could be either way, this one or the other one. But that means it's another module. It's already installed. Curl, I know what curl is. But I don't think I have it installed. Huh? Nathan, there's crunching like chips in my YouTube health fix. Well, sir, I am eating my chips. I'm sorry about that. How you doing, Nathan? Chips? There's no issue. The only way to fix that is eating them. Glad to hear it, man. Me, I'm doing alright. Just enjoying my chips and trying to see if I can actually set this up. Zip is already installed. Okay. Either way, this is like so interesting to me. I might make a guy out of this. And if you're planning to use Nginx, that part I can skip it. Okay, so I have MySQL. MySQL version 8. So yeah, we have 8. This is not the greatest stream in the world. This is just a tribute. What the heck? Couldn't remember the greatest stream in the world. No, this is a tribute. The Talos principle. Ah yes. Oh hail Talos. The greatest religion ever of Skyrim. Talos, Talos, Talos. Okay, so that part's done. We have Apache installed, right? How you doing, Tasteful? I didn't think you were there, Apache. Apache too. Okay, yeah. It's already installed. Uh, to play Talisman, and now after I submit a resume, have like a string. Okay, Nathan, you have a good one. What kind of Spanishy person are you? Like a pupusa person? Or a drink in a plastic bag person? Or a taco guy? Is Puerto Rican, do you do the flamingo thing? No, not really. Me, I'm more like a taco guy or burritos. Or Pringles. Well, Puerto Rico is actually a U.S. territory, so by default, we are American citizens. We have a U.S. passport. If I wanted to, I can just go live in the States if I wanted to. We just can't vote for the president. We can vote for a governor, and that's it. We're a territory, not a state. That's all. Honestly, it's like a yes or no, maybe, because it's more like I know if I get into politics, I know people like say they want to be states because they'll have more people for the I think it's for the Democrat Party or for the Republicans. I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, and almost American, like literally like that. But yeah, we are born with U.S. passport, but yeah, we can't vote, so we don't have the same benefits as if you were a state. I think if you were a state, I think it might be better, but I can't really give my entire opinion on it. Like here, 50-50, they want us to be state, and the other 50 wants to be an independent country. Well, independent Iceland. But there's just so much corruption here for our government. And nobody trusts the government here. So like they'll say something and do the opposite. We just live on some strange conquered land. Dude, I live on well, if I put it in perspective, like, just look, take it for size. Google Maps. Puerto Rico. Okay. So, you see how small that thing is, right? Look where you guys are. You can't even see it. That's how small we are. We're so tiny, you can't even see us on the dot. We're like a little peanut. But literally, we're on an island in the middle of the ocean. Sometimes I literally forget I'm in the middle of the ocean. If a freaking tsunami comes, it would swallow us whole. Like even Dominican Republic is bigger than us. It's so tiny right there. And look at the other ones. Oh, so big, the Latino America. Literally, so tiny, you could swallow us whole. The Caribbean, it's just crazy weather, crazy everything. We also have to take into account that Mercator projection, these maps you look at are actually very distorted side. That's very true. That's very true. But honestly, this place is small as hell. Like you could circle the entire island. I think it's in 4 hours. The Gauss-Peter map is better to compare sides. The Gauss-Peters map? I don't know why, but you caught my curiosity. Gauss-Peters map. Okay. Can I zoom on this? Holy crap, wait, no, not there. Then we're supposed to be right, oh my god, right here. But again, you can literally circle the entire island in, I think it's 4 or 5 hours. Thank you for subscribing, Felipe Costa. Much appreciated, man. Okay, I'll put you in this spot. Like, okay, supposedly the state of Mississippi is the poorest state. If we put Puerto Rico inside the US, Puerto Rico is now the poorest state, if it so happened. But yeah, man, it's a small island. Like, you can literally go around the island. I think in 4 hours, you can literally circle the entire island. I think. How long is it to circle the entire Puerto Rico island? I think. There you go. 6 to 8 hours. Like a few months back, there was a guy on a bicycle. He did a marathon, and he circled the entire island, and it took him 23 hours on a bicycle. So you can literally drive for 6 to 8 hours. Well, again, depending on traffic, because traffic here sometimes is a bitch. Okay, TAR's installed. But yeah, man, the only thing that sucks here is the, what's the name? The humidity. The humidity here is horrible. It's like 70, like most of the time it's 80 to 90%. And it's just horrible, man. Oh, thank you for subscribing, Mr. Tasteful. You sir are the best. Oh yeah, I have no idea how to take that off. I guess it's just there for the holidays. But thank you for subscribing, man. Really appreciate your support. Okay, so we have that installed. Either way, I need to include it on my notes, because if I can get this up and running, then I might make a video about it. But this is gonna be a harder one. Get this not installed. Install everything that I need for this thing to make it run like Christmas Eve. Okay, we need that next. What else do we need? Oh my god. Oh, we know the composer. install that. So how's your guys' evening going so far? Oh my god, this is even the hard part. This is slow as hell. Okay. Okay, this thing is an example, but I wanna see if it does anything. And okay, so this is to add a repository. Is that really needed? Okay, I guess it is. Okay, what's next? Add additional repositories for PHP. Just put this command. Oh, must run as root. Okay, holy crap. Oh no, all the chips are gone. What am I gonna do? Okay. What's next? Add that for the next step. Curl. Copy that. Oh. A file already exists. They want to overwrite it. There's one already, but I haven't done this before, and this is a fresh installed. Oh god, am I gonna mess this up? We're just experimenting, man. Maybe it'll work. I hope so. Okay, wait. Yeah, there's nothing here. It's just this. Okay, whatever. Yes, overriding. Okay, there it is. So we do need to add this as well. Oh crap. Okay, so this is one. X. This one. I think I need to add sudo to this. Copy that. Okay, now install dependencies. I think that one's an example. But either way, let's see what happens. Removing. Wait, I can't have both of them? Okay, that was a bad idea. Crud. Okay, I think I made a horrible mistake. So this is installing. Alisim is installing nginx. Okay, so it's I didn't read. This is what happens when you don't read. You stupidly mess something up. Okay, at least it's installing everything that we needed. I think, I'm not sure. Ow, it hurt. And the only way to make this freaking work is to combine this entire command list into a single command. So that way to install everything from the scratch. Not from the scratch, more like just easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So easy. Oh my god. This is so slow. This is so slow. 89%. I'm still waiting for December 25th. La 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 la. Oh my god. This is what happens when you don't follow instructions. Installing Composer. Didn't I already not did that? With over here it says Composer B2. I don't know what the hell I installed it. Thank gosh, this is a virtual machine, so I can just mess it up as much as I want. Why is the service today crap? Okay. Now tell me this. My SQL access denied for using sorry MySQL. I'll go to the Maria. That's I put MySQL and I get this back. Okay, sudo apt install MySQL server. So that's what it did. The following package will be removed. Then yeah, I don't want to use Maria. Maria, come back. That was a little blooper on my part. Okay, so this one added the Redis server repository. Then we did need to add. That's good. That part's okay. Okay, good. So if I check again my SQL, can I connect to local MySQL through socket? There we go. So it is installed. Edit. Can I connect to local MySQL through socket? What the heck? Are you kidding me? Why is this? Okay, why am I doing wrong? I installed lamb. Blah, 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 blah. I once had this installed by installing MySQL. That's what I freaking did, not the client or something else. This means the file doesn't exist. If you didn't install it, then the file would not exist. So in that case, install it with then you need to check the config files. These are the config files. God damn it. This is what I get for installing and deinstalling. I literally did this. Let's see what happens if I do that again. It should say that's not what I wanted to install. It's already installed. Maybe I just needed to delete some packages and that should be fine. Maybe that's what I'm missing. Packages. Oh my gosh. Okay, there. God damn you. Is it really my? Oh, it is. This is incomplete. Okay, then what do I need to check here? Okay, you can copy this one. Okay, but I want to reset it. Yes, of course it's unreadable because there. Now we can delete whatever the hell we want. This is so difficult. The socket file may be temp and socket file may be so remove or rename. Let me use then the problem may solve. Then the problem will be solved. Okay, so remove or rename and let them get used. What do you mean? In my config, the socket file config may be temp, and in the socket file config may be bar blah blah blah. So remove or rename. Let me use. What do you mean by that? You can copy. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna delete it. Permission denied. Sudo. There, it's gone. MySQL. S. Oh my god. I ruined everything here. You know what? No, I have a better idea. Sudo apt remove my SQL server. Remove it. It's gone. My SQL. I am still getting. we can remove the other one. Now it's gone. There is no MySQL. Now MySQL. It does not exist. There we go. Now we can install it from scratch. What is that stupid noise? Now it shouldn't be here. Okay, remove that folder. Sudo remove directory. Thank you. Now it doesn't exist. It's gone, right? It's gone forever. Yep, it's gone. Now we're gonna install it again from scratch. Sudo apt install MySQL. There. Now it's installing everything that it needs. Okay, so we do need to install MySQL server. We have it there, yes. What? What do you mean there's a problem? Unmet dependencies. Oh my gosh. Fix broken. Display all possibilities. All 93,000 possibilities. Holy crap. No. Close. So after that, install MySQL client 8. Is set to manually installed. you kidding me? We're still getting more errors. Oh my god. So, is it installed is my question. I remove it and I just broke it again. What the heck did you think that I just did? Not run it? Yes. Conflicting. Oh gosh. Purge. Yes, it tries to fix it. Oh my gosh. That's annoying. Well, AI, you're gonna have to help me here. Really quick, come on. Wait, it's not active. Started. Failed to start. There's no way that this is at 100. No, that's a lie. God damn it. That's an excess. You know what? I have a better idea. Yeah, remove it. Since your game is so much issues, we're gonna use the other one. Because honestly, man, jeez. I didn't think it was gonna give me that much issues. No. Really? Really? My SQL. My Maria. I should have left it out. Was cd run remove. Okay. Let's see what happened now. Terminal. Then what happened? Okay. I'm gonna do something very something that I'm gonna hate. Force off. Okay, so I am just gonna delete it. Yep. And I'm gonna make it again. Let's do this again. Can't believe this. I'm doing this thing again. What the heck happened? Okay, I am back. Okay, it took longer than expected, sorry about that. Finally you made it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to install this again. Okay, yeah, apply that. Yeah, that's good, that's good, that's good. There we go. Install. Let's just wait for that. Come on. Install again. I'm gonna do this process again. Oh my gosh. Okay, almost there. Almost there. Finally, restart now. Remove CD. Come on, come on, I wanna get this done again. I wanna try again. This time I have a few steps here. What happened? No, I don't want that. I don't need that. Let's just get the updates and do everything from scratch. That's all that we need to do. Yep. Display settings. Much better for my eyes. Okay, pterodactyl game server. There it is. We're here again. Documentation. Get started. Okay, so damn, this is still going. Okay then, it's like let's just wait for them. Anybody new to the stream, I welcome you. You have any computer issues or problem? Ask away in the chat. Oh no, don't tell me it's dying again. do that?